1, 2, 3, 4!
Doing an institution like OCA is so important because it teaches you not just the creative side, but also the business side of music, which I think as an independent artist and emerging artist, it's really important to know how to navigate that music industry.
I've definitely learnt to back myself in my music. It's taught me how to write, how to release, and how to perform my songs in the most authentic way that I can.
The course has really helped me discover myself as an artist and my sound.
The real hands-on aspect of it all, of like you get to see how they set up a stage for like a music maker's club night, or you're actually in a recording studio seeing how it's all made, and then also the creative sessions. It's a great way to bounce off of fellow creatives.
I've done some courses before. I've never had this sort of one-on-one feedback.
I've really enjoyed my time in the studios. Like, it's been so much fun and I've had great feedback.
You can text, you can call them about sort of how you're working with your songs.
Great to finally understand and learn about the music industry and all the 5 sectors of it.
And it really sets you up to be a part of the music industry, not just as a creative, but as a music professional as well.
Yeah, it's just been such a great community together, collaborating through our classes.
It feels like a real safe space. Foster that like love for creating music. It feels right.
I just decided to sort of take the plunge and throw myself in it and haven't looked back. It's been an awesome experience.